Here we are, Legoland California, our first day of the trip. We just got to the Legoland Hotel where we're staying for the night. Our lovely room. Hello, Maddie.
Hi.
And Benji. And Owie. So this is the kids' sleeping quarters. Bunk beds. And a bottom bed. Yeah, for Owen. And then we go more into the bathroom. Our room is castle themed. So there's some stuff there. And there is our fancy castle bed. Yahoo!
Castle bed is more
And
fancy
now
than yours.
we're gonna be going
And
swimming.
look, there's a secret vault here.
Right.
And we need to find out the numbers around the hotel. And then if we open it, there will be Lego sets. Yes!
Go. Who was that? Oh my god.